All right, so today we're taking a look at another one from the Bloom series by Excite Audio. This is drum kits, and this basically turns drum loops, one-shots, and breaks into a playable instrument inside your DAW, not just drag and drop loops. You can actually trigger, manipulate, and remix anything in real time, which is where things get interesting. You can check this out at Plugin Boutique. There'll be a link down in the video description below. They also offer a free plugin with every purchase. There is the full version, there's a light version, there's a cross-grade, upgrade version as well, and there's a bundle available of all the Bloom series. They got some really cool stuff, drum machines and basses and choirs and all kind of stuff. So check those out. So right off the bat, you got your white keys down here, and then you got your black keys labeled here, A, B, C, D, E, and then effects as well, and the black keys down here. We have our slices, and then we have patterns. And we have effects, double time, half time. Speed up, slow down. Reverse. And then we have reamp, tape, room, and phaser. Come down here, we even have more effects, dynamics, delay, reverb. We have a randomizer down here. We also have an edit page here where you can get even deeper. You can drag in just slices from any of these patterns here, or just the whole set of things here. Go bam. Then we have the completely different patterns and loops and stuff. And we could edit things further. We could load in our own samples right here with this little folder thing. We could slice these up. We have our own sequencer and all kind of fun stuff on these pages. But let's check out some preset patterns they got here. Everything organized very well. Basic, experimental, high energy kits, low energy, percussion, processed. These ones here, toppers. Of course, our one shots. Not really one shots, but clips. We got our basic beats. Experimental. High energy. Low energy. Cool stuff in there. Percussion. Processed. And of course, toppers again. So pretty wild. Exit out of here. So all in all, there's over 250 presets organized into 7 different categories. So let's slow down the tempo here, add in a Logic bass player. All right, so let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. Just a quick video demo today. Check it out. That is all for now. Talk to you soon.